Golden glazed banderillas. A delicious Mexican pan dulce, sweet bread, recipe. This recipe serves 12 pieces. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 25 to 30 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 500 grams all-purpose flour, 400 grams unsalted butter, 250 milliliters ice water, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon whole milk, a half cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons honey or light corn syrup, a half teaspoon cinnamon. Step 1. In a large bowl, mix the sifted flour, salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Cut 50 g of the cold butter into small cubes and rub it into the flour with your fingertips until it resembles coarse crumbs. Step 2. Gradually add the ice water to the flour mixture, stirring gently until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it onto a lightly floured surface and knead briefly just until it holds together. Wrap in plastic and chill for 20 minutes. Step 3. Place the remaining 350 g of cold butter between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Use a rolling pin to pound and roll it into a flat square, about 6 times 6 inches. Keep it cool but pliable. Step 4. Roll out the chilled dough into a 12 times 12-inch square. Place the butter block in the center diagonally, fold the corners of the dough over the butter to meet in the middle, and seal the edges like an envelope. Step 5. Gently roll the dough into a long rectangle. Fold the bottom third up to the center, and the top third down over it, like a letter. This is your first turn. Wrap and chill for 20 minutes. Step 6. Repeat the rolling and folding process 4 more times, rotating the dough 90 degrees each time. Chill for 20 minutes between every 2 turns to ensure the butter doesn't melt. Step 7. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and line to large baking sheets with parchment paper. Step 8. Roll out the finished puff pastry into a large rectangle about a quarter inch, 5 mm, thick. Using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, trim the uneven edges to expose the layers. Step 9. Cut the pastry into long strips, approximately 1 inch wide and 8 to 10 inches long. Place them on the prepared baking sheets, leaving 2 inches of space between each. Step 10. Whisk the egg and milk together. Lightly brush the top of each strip with the egg wash, being careful not to let it drip down the sides, which would seal the layers and prevent rising. Step 11. Generously sprinkle the granulated sugar and cinnamon if using over the egg wash tops. For a professional look, you can gently press the sugar into the dough. Step 12. Bake for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then reduce the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until the banderillas are deep golden brown and very crisp. Step 13. Immediately upon removing from the oven, brush lightly with the thinned honey or syrup for a signature sticky sweet shine. Let them cool completely on a wire rack to ensure maximum crunch. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.